Hey guys, my name is Ricardo Liborio. I have Kevin here with me. We're working in Century BJJ. Some drills, submissions, sweeps, everything is BJJ with Century BJJ here. All right. Now we're working on frame guard, and we're going to transition from the frame guard, close guard, frame guard, and what we transition right now is from here to the butterfly guard. So I like to do it here is, first of all, keep this very good grip. Make sure that he doesn't break it at all. Keep some distance on it so actually can put my feet on the floor. Almost at the same time that my feet touch the floor, I'm going to sit up. You see this? I got the underhook. Underhook is the best thing that you can actually get it to go for this position. His hand is here. I control it inside. Even if you try to grab my leg. If it's too tight, what I'm doing is I'm going to go rolling over my shoulder, stretch my leg inside between, keep the good underhook, and kick his groin so I can actually have the position. All right, one more time. I'm going to do it this way here so they actually can see it. From the frame guard, I like to create some space. At the same time that my feet are touching the floor, I'm actually sitting up. I got the good underhook. I'm controlling this arm. I can control here. I can control the arm, which is pretty good too. All right? Go the hand on the triceps. Make sure that that hand doesn't touch the floor. Put your hand here on the floor. And if it is, what I'm doing is I'm going down, lock it up. My shoulder goes down, and I lift it in the elevator. And from here, try to end up on mountain position. All right? One more time. I'm going to do this side here. Kev, please. Frame guard. I'm going to hold and actually do the underhook on this side. I create some space. At the same time, I put my feet on the floor. From here, I am sitting up. See that I control the wrist, or I can push it inside, or I can go for the triceps and keep it tight. Or even if you control my leg, which is pretty common. The only thing I can't have it is him put a hand on the floor. So what I do, I stretch my leg in, shoulder on the floor, lift his hips for the elevator, and try to end up on a mount position. All right? This is what we call hook sweep, coming from the butterfly. All right, guys? So this is Century BJJ.